Guys, back again. This is your Wednesday video, and before you're wondering why I have the same hair and the same clothes and the same location, I recorded both videos on Saturdays. So yes, I shower every day. Don't you worry about that. And I do brush my hair every once in a while. So let's go ahead and get into the lesson. Today's lesson is multi-step. So Monday it was 2 steps, today is multi-step. And actually, we learned this in the beginning of the school year, and I taught you this really funny saying that goes with it. It says, don't call me after midnight. Okay, don't call me after midnight. What these stood for, these should be in your notes, okay? So make sure you're writing this down. Distribute. Say it aloud with me when you're watching this. Combine like terms. Okay? Next one, move variable. The nice thing is, you're not going to have to do this step until next week, because I'm not giving you variables on both sides yet. This one is add or subtract, which makes the last one multiply or divide. So remember, don't call me after midnight. Distribute, combine like terms, move the variables, add or subtract, multiply or divide. Okay, make sure you pause the video if you didn't quite write all that down. Okay, moving on, I'm gonna give you 6 examples just like on Monday to make sure I cover everything and get you known so that you can get this assignment done. Okay, example 1. So remember, we're doing 6. This is number 1. It says -6 parentheses. Did I write it? I wrote it wrong. Hold on. 7 minus 4x equals -210. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these steps up here. Don't call me after midnight. Okay? First step, distribute. That means we multiply. Distribute. -6 times 7, -42. -6 times -4x. Negative becomes positive, and then 24x. And it's going to equal -210. We don't mess with that yet. Okay? From here, you should have remembered from Monday. Monday we did 2 steps. There's only 2 more steps to get the answer. We're going to get rid of 42, -42, by making it positive 42. Positive 42. Okay, that goes away. Our 24x is going to drop. Okay? And on this side, we got to do the math. Oh my goodness, I didn't do the math. So it's going to be 168. There you go. I didn't write down the math. I thought I could wing it. So hopefully I'm winging it, okay? Last step, the one that nobody forgets. Divide. Divide by 24. Sorry guys, I gotta be my normal crazy self if I'm gonna get you to watch this entire YouTube video. So 24's go away, and x equals, oh I'm sorry, this is supposed to be a negative. Silly teacher. If y'all did that, you should have corrected me. -168 divided by 24. A negative and a positive stays negative, but it becomes -7. Okay? So everybody write those steps down. Remember, these are what we're following. We distributed. There were no like terms. Then we're going to add or subtract. That's what we did here. We added 42. Then we're going to multiply or divide. We divided. Okay? Everybody good? We're moving on. Example number 2. Example 2. Alright. Let's see what I got for y'all. Let's try another one that looks like 7, 4 plus 7n equals 175. Okay, let's hope that my math keeps up with me because I really should have worked these out to have these numbers ready. First step, distribute, because we have parentheses. If you have parentheses, you have to distribute, which is multiplying, okay? 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 7, 49. And our 175 stays. We do not have to combine. We do not have to move variables, so we're on add or subtract. We are our variables right here. So what we're going to add or subtract is this 28. It's a positive, so we have to subtract 28 to make it go away. Okay? We have 49 and drop down. And over here we're going to have, oh my goodness, 147. Woo, I did that right. I know I did that right because our favorite step comes next. We're going to divide. And that is going to leave us with n equals 3. And we got the answer we wanted. Okay? Hope we're following these steps. We have done this before. Okay? So let's move on to example 3. And let's throw y'all for a loop. I did that one. I did that one. We're going to do the next one. Next one's going to look like this. Example 3. It's going to say negative 91 equals negative 7 b plus 8. Where is our variable? On the wrong side. But that's okay. We're not going to worry about it because we know our steps to do. Our first step is distribute because we have parentheses. So we're going to distribute here. Our negative 91 is going to drop. But this becomes, what number is here that we don't see? The only number in math that can come and go whenever it feels like it is 1. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7b. Negative 7 times 56 minus 56. We're going, okay? Now, always keep in mind where your variable is, okay? So these 2 steps, we don't need today. Those 2 steps, I don't think you're going to need them at, oh wait, just kidding. We need that one. Don't cross that one out. But we're not going to move variables. That I told you from the beginning. Okay? So, from here, we go to add or subtract because there's nothing to combine. Add or subtract. We have a negative 56. Opposite of negative, positive. Positive 56. Cancel that out. So here we have man, I like 30. Oops, sorry guys. 35. There it is. Negative 35. Sorry, teacher's a little slow on her math. Also, I need to up my math game. And our negative 7b is going to drop down. Favorite step, nobody ever forgets. Divide by negative 7. That goes away. Our b's by itself. And over here we get negative, negative, positive 5. Alright? You are going to want a calculator today. If your teacher hasn't been proof enough, you are going to want a calculator today. Okay, that was example 3. Which one did I give you guys? I gave you this one. Okay? Let's do one where can remember what combining like terms is. So on this one, negative 7, 6x minus 4, and still plus 3 equals 157. Whenever you've got something outside the parentheses, we're going to combine terms. Okay? So, first step, distribute. Negative 42x. Negative 7 times negative 4. Negative, negative, we know makes positive 28. And then all of this, we're just going to drop. Now, here's why we combine. We have a variable. Remember, you never want to lose your variable. There it is. But we have two numbers. They're the same thing. It's like saying I have $28 and $3. Then I have 31 together. Okay, we're going to drop that and we're going to drop the 42x. So everybody gets, just put them together. If they're both positive, add them. If they're both negative, put them together, okay? Now, we're on to add or subtract. We got to get rid of this 31. So it's positive. We're going to make it negative 31. Okay? Cancels it out. Negative 42x drops equals, over here we have 126. 126. That one was easy, real quick. Okay? Favorite step nobody forgets is divide by negative 42. Okay? Once you divide, you get x equals positive and a negative gives us a negative, and it is 3. Negative 3 should be our answer. Okay? That's example 4. I'm going to give you 2 more. I want you to write them down because they're going to help you with your assignment. The assignment process for today, real quick, is the same as Monday. You have to do all the work and then open your quizzes and submit it through quizzes, okay? So, let's go on to example 5. I'm going to do another one. You know what, guys? I'll just give you 5 examples today. This is the last one. So, here's where everybody in my classroom, I would have said, everybody say, yay, it's the last one, right? But we don't have that today. So, we're just going to run with it. Here's our last one. Example 5. Negative 266. This one's going to be fun on my mental math. Equals negative a minus 7 6a minus 5. Okay? Good. Copied it down right. First thing, distribute. We're going to get rid of parentheses. Now, be very careful in a situation like this because what you're going to multiply is this number. And if you notice, it's negative. So you don't want to multiply by 7. Multiply by negative 7. So this one drops. Our negative a drops. But then we start multiplying. Negative 7 times 6 is negative 42a. Negative 7 times negative 5. Negative, negative, positive. Positive 35. Okay? Here's where you look. And this is what I see. 2 a's. Now remember, what's the only number that can disappear whenever it feels like it? 1. So we're going to give it a 1. Negative 1 and negative 42 become negative 43a. And then everything else is going to drop. Negative 266, sorry, and 35. Alright? And next one, we combine. We're on add or subtract. Last example. Hang in there. We're almost done. Add or subtract. We're going to get rid of 35. 35 is a positive, so we got to subtract 35. Subtract 35. Goes away. Let's go. Let's do this mental math. It becomes negative 301 equals negative 43a. Alright, last step. We are are going to divide negative 43. Okay? That cancels. And here we have A equals negative negative becomes positive, and we get 7. Woo! You made it, guys. That's the last of the notes for the week. The only other video you can expect is your project, and it's gonna be fun. I'm excited already. So make sure you take all these notes, and remember, for our assignment you need to work everything out first. Work everything out first and then do quizzes. Okay, guys? Stay safe, stay blessed, and I hope if you run into any trouble during this, you have confidence to call me up and say, teacher, I don't know what I'm doing, help me, okay? I'm here to help you guys.